You're so annoying. Bang, there we go. How about that? Cool, that looks pretty nice. Welcome to another, I was about to say future bass production video, but it's hybrid trap. That's a hybrid trap month right now. Welcome back again, finally back to my original face. This profile sucks. This one, wow. What is this? Check this out. Oh yeah. So I am inspired and I have an idea for this song. Let's just go. Let's just do it. I just wrote down this rhythm. Simple thing. I want this to be like a very metallic one. So I put this LFO on a level to just make this like. And then we're gonna just do some post-processing. Try FMing this. So we want this movement, and what we need to do is to increase the release. So if you're compressing something and you're losing movement, like you're losing dynamics, just increase the release. So check this out. This is what we want. We can automate this backwards. Nice. We can let's try this delay. Normal one. Let's just do something like that. Link. So let's do the same thing. Nice. We're getting some movement in the background. That's cool. So recently we've been using a comps filter. I think we can do a similar thing. Let's use a flanger maybe. So it's like so we can do stages. Nice. Nice. We are not going to be using sub bass here because we are going to be adding another sub bass. Sometimes adding just a tiny bit of the filter movement on the top creates some clearness. Let's just add some white noise too. Automate. Make them as loud as possible. Oh, this is a cool snare. Okay, what about layering these two snares together? Yeah, sounds much more beefy. Let's try this pattern. Use Shope to see the waveform. Nice, and then just put the free clip on the drums to make the volume even. Put a bass underneath. Oh, cool thing happens when you have a bass sound, and then you overlap a note on top of it. It creates this sort of like a volume automation. When you overlap really high notes, it's gonna be like a frequency modulation, like a screech. For making some gunshots, that is really cool. Okay, so we could do a little bit of derangement. Okay. Nice, and then something in the background. Let's just speed this up here, and speed this up here, and speed this up there. So it goes. Okay, let's take riser. A little detail, reverse kick. And put this reverse kick here. And then we can do the same thing, but with a different preset. Let's try. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, that is fire. Okay, we need the speed automation. Let's just do this. Oh, it's like dun, dun, dun. Okay, what about changing the sound a little bit? Oh, we didn't do any filter movement. Try this. Nice. That sounds dope. OTT. This guy, where is it? Where are you? No! Damn it, I clicked the wrong one. It creates some resonance, like da 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 da. Down, down, down. Let's just do some dum 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 dum. Okay, we can hear this resonance on the top. We can, what's the word for that? Like accentuate? Sound something like that. Make it more sound more like it more prominent. I don't know. And I have this Rock Ultimate Lead beef upper. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What happened with this? Yeah, this is basically some distortion. I was going through this whole chain on like the huge drop tutorial or something, like a huge future bass drop tutorial. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, that's nice. Okay, let's automate this one. So there's a little bit of the variation later. Sounds pretty nice. Okay, so what we can do is we can automate the reverb with the... Why is it so small? That's what she said. Okay, I know. I have Fab Filter right now, finally. And this guy, this reverb, you can cut low end here, and that's amazing. Here. I put this reverb here. Okay, so now what we can do, I went for a walk and I had, sometimes when you take a break you have cool ideas, and I was like, well, let's just resample something. So we have this sound, and there's this one really cool moment. We could resample a couple of things and then just create a pattern. Okay, cool, and then we could do some rhythm. Let's go. Assign this guy the tempo. Okay, and then we automate this guy. Da-da-da. Let's try this. And then repeats. Just want to make this quiet. That's cool. Ooh, that's cool. Da, da, da. Okay, we need some hi-hats. This is what's missing here all the time. let's put these hi-hats here. That is crazy. We need some chant again. Hey! This is some oriental thing right now. Maybe we should just type some Kashmir thing and copy this rack. Yeah, it can stay in the background, totally. Pretty nice. Okay, this can totally be like a breakdown here. Emotional breakdown. Hybrid trap edition. Cool, now we need some transitions. Cool, really nice. Check this out. Oh, one thing, a quick mastering. It's gonna be really quick mastering. I'm just gonna put this free clip. I sometimes like to just put a limiter on the thing. Very nice. Let's check this out. Really nice, really cool track. Nice, very nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. So see you in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can slide on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.